From baby hatchlings to an awesome Triceratops and a mighty T-Rex, our amazing collection of lifelike, life-size costumes, animatronics, puppets and props will captivate your audience with a presentation that is fun-filled, educational, interesting, factual, and includes lots of audience participation. Our shows can be personalised for any event and make an impact with this unmissable attraction anywhere, whether indoors or outdoors, where you want to create an impression and attract large crowds. We also offer Dinosaur Walkabouts, giving onlookers an opportunity to safely get up close to one of these monsters from the past, and of course get a selfie.